Learn BSL online by watching videos or taking an online course. You can also learn BSL online by taking an online course or by watching videos. Needless to say that I'd much prefer a video course than looking around in Google for free stuff. You can certainly learn some BSL words, phrases by looking up basic BSL words and sentences on YouTube, but that won't take you far. If you're up for some light reading, even blogs can help you a little bit here, like you can learn BSL Alphabets here. But, as I said, blogs, YouTube videos, or a search in Google won't take you far. Online courses tend to be much cheaper than live Zoom class because of the nature of pre-recorded online courses. If you're just looking for some basic understanding of BSL, then there are plenty of options for you. Lead Academy offers one of the high-quality ones with affordable price. Steve Hurley is the British Sign Language, BSL, instructor at QLS Level 1 and 2 on Lead Academy. He is a qualified BSL teacher with over 19 years of experience. Now, there are some reasons behind my recommendation. Firstly, our BSL course on Lead Academy is CPD accredited. This means that you will earn a certificate on BSL, which you can use in a professional setting. It will count towards your professional development. Businesses are one of the most likely places where you will feel the need to know sign language to communicate with a client or a customer. Banks, restaurants, retail stores like clothing, drugs, grocery, and convenience stores see many people who communicate in sign language. The same goes for sectors like health and social care. You simply can't deny service to a person whose only means of communication is signing. Firstly, it's a gross violation of human rights. Secondly, it's against the law in most countries, including the UK. So knowing sign language yourself or having an employee that can communicate in signs is immensely useful in these instances. Good communication makes people feel valued, cared for, and puts them at ease. It's understandable why businesses and services want to keep employees who can sign in addition to their core skills. So you can take this opportunity to learn a new language and earn more than your colleagues because of your skills. Some businesses even offer employees training on basic sign language and deaf awareness. Deaf awareness training trains employees on working with deaf people. You'll do the training under organizations like Lead Academy, but your office will pay for it. Secondly, it's a BSL Level 1 and Level 2 courses. This means that you'll gain plenty of proficiency to converse in a casual setting. If you have a friend, a colleague, or even a family member who is deaf or has hearing impairments, you can easily communicate with them once you finish the course. It's a win-win either way. Before I wrap up here, I think you should be aware of a few more benefits of an online course. 1. You can learn at your own pace. 2. Most of these online courses, including ours, will only take you a few hours to complete. 3. If you are careful to select a high-quality course like ours, it will be just as beneficial as doing a course in a physical classroom. You can save time and money on traveling and have 24/7 access to online platform which can accessible from any devices.